Noticing your car running rough at idle or losing power? Don't blame old age just yet. That sluggishness is often caused by carbon buildup on your intake valves, choking your engine's airflow. The good news? You can fix this yourself, right at home. Today, I'll show you how to clean those valves and bring your engine back to life. No need for fancy tools or a mechanic's degree, just some patience and basic gear. We'll break down the process step by step so you can do it safely and confidently. Ready to restore your car's performance and save money? Let's get started. Roll up your sleeves. Your engine's about to feel brand new. Let's dive in and make your car run like it should. So, why does carbon build up in the first place? Modern engines use direct injection, spraying fuel straight into the cylinder. Great for power, but it skips cleaning the intake valves. Meanwhile, oily vapors and exhaust gases stick to those hot valves, baking on layer after layer of carbon. Over time, this buildup restricts airflow, causing rough idle, hesitation, and lost power. It's not your fault. It's just part of owning a modern car. Think of this as essential deep cleaning, like clearing out clogged gutters. Clean valves mean your engine can breathe easy again. Let's talk tools. You'll need a basic socket set, a torque wrench, and a couple of cans of intake valve cleaner. Grab some detail brushes, plastic or brass picks, nitrile gloves, and safety glasses. A shop vacuum with a crevice tool is a must for cleanup. Shop towels or rags will help keep things tidy. Most importantly, only clean valves when both intake valves are fully closed. This prevents debris from falling into the engine. I'll show you how to check for closed valves before you start. No expensive gear required, just a little care and the right approach. Gather your supplies and let's get ready to work. Safety first, always. Now, on to the real action. First, make sure your engine is cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the plastic engine cover, then locate the intake manifold. Carefully disconnect any hoses, sensors, or cables attached. Label them or snap a photo for easy reassembly. Unbolt the intake manifold and keep the bolts organized. Gently lift the manifold off to reveal the intake ports and valves. You'll probably see a thick layer of carbon. Don't worry, that's what we're here to fix. Now you've got clear access to the valves. Let's get cleaning. Rotate the engine by hand to find a cylinder with both intake valves closed. Spray intake valve cleaner generously onto the carbon buildup and let it soak for 10-15 minutes. Use plastic or brass picks and brushes to gently scrape away the softened carbon. For stubborn spots, a brass brush works wonders. Just be gentle. Vacuum out all debris thoroughly. You don't want anything falling into the engine. Wipe the valves clean with a rag or swab. Repeat the process for each cylinder. Rotate, soak, scrape, vacuum, wipe. Take your time. Thorough cleaning makes a big difference. Once all valves are clean, you're ready to reassemble. The hardest part is done. Let's put it all back together. Replace the intake manifold gaskets for a proper seal. Carefully reinstall the manifold, hand-tighten bolts, then torque them to spec in the correct sequence. Reconnect all hoses, sensors, and cables. Use your labels or photos as a guide. Double-check every connection and bolt. Reconnect the battery and snap the engine cover back on. Start the engine. It may take a moment to fire up, but listen for a smooth idle. Take it for a test drive. You'll notice better throttle response and smoother acceleration. You just saved money and restored your engine's performance. Be proud, you did it yourself. Enjoy the ride.